Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Escape oil. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter remover, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 7 quarts, and a new oil filter. Park your vehicle on a level surface and let the engine cool down completely for safety. Next, locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan, and place your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully remove the drain plug, letting all the old engine oil flow completely into the pan. This process might take several minutes. Once the oil has fully drained, clean the area and securely replace the drain plug, ensuring it is tightened properly. Now, use an oil filter wrench to loosen and carefully remove the old oil filter. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it feels snug, then give it about an additional quarter turn. Finally, pour the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 7 quarts, into the engine's oil fill cap opening. Use your dipstick to check the oil level, adding more if needed until it reaches the full mark. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Start your engine for a minute, then turn it off and recheck the oil level and for any leaks. Remember to check the description for a link to these containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.